Hey there. Today, we are tackling a common struggle for small businesses, the ever-growing tech stack. We all know the feeling. You start with a few essential tools, but soon your list explodes and managing it all becomes a nightmare. But fear not, in this short episode, we'll help you tame that tech stack and create a streamlined workflow that boosts your productivity. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. I'm Kristina Stubblefield, and every week we help you unleash your business's potential, boost your visibility, and maximize your time. So, what exactly is a tech stack? Think of it as a collection of software tools your business uses to operate. This can include things like your CRM for managing customer relationships, project management tools to keep things on track, communication platforms to stay connected with your team or clients, and then email marketing or text message marketing tools to nurture leads. The problem? Tech stack sprawl, as I call it. You add a tool here, another one there, and suddenly you're juggling a dozen different apps. This can lead to major headaches. Onboarding new clients become like a tech boot camp. Switching between tools eats up valuable time. Data gets scattered and inconsistent, and security risk increase. It's a recipe for inefficiency. And let's not forget about those forgotten subscriptions. You might invest in software that seems like a good idea at the time, but then it gets pushed aside, and you keep paying for it month after month. Here's how to address this head on. First, it's time for a tech audit. Yes, this will take a little time, but it's worth it. You may end up saving money, in most cases, more than you may think. I want you to list out every single software tool your business uses, no matter how small. Then, you've got to be honest. First, are you using it? Second, does it still align with your current business needs? And lastly, are you really getting your money's worth from each one? Could you consolidate functionalities into fewer, more robust platforms? Remember, less is often more. Here's a real-life example. I had a client who was hesitant to invest in a specific business software because of the $150 monthly cost. But when we reviewed their tech stack, guess what? They were paying over $350 per month on software they barely used or hadn't even implemented. They were just focusing on the cost of that one tool without considering the bigger picture. We helped them implement software that better aligned with their needs, and they ended up saving over $200 per month. And the best news, the new software was easier for them to use and saved them time with daily operations. Now, after you complete your audit, let's focus on making sure you're getting the most out of the software you already have. Ask yourself, are these tools set up correctly? Are you using all the features that make sense for your business? By addressing these questions, you can unlock the full potential of your existing software and avoid unnecessary tech stack sprawl. Taming your tech stack isn't just about having fewer tools. It's about having the right ones that work together efficiently. By following these tips, you can create a streamlined workflow that empowers your team and helps your business thrive. If you need help with auditing your own tech stack, I can help you. Visit my website and schedule a discovery call so we can discuss your business. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe now and become a part of our growing community of businesses and entrepreneurs. If you think that you are letting the fear of technology hold your business back, Check out this video right here.